Okay, this is straight up a thunderstorm right now. It says we're in the eye. How are we in the eye of the storm? It's middle of like, what time is it? Like
Midnight.
midnight. So I think I'm gonna upload the. I think I'm gonna upload this video tomorrow. Look at this. You see that? This is a straight up storm. Look at the park ground. It's all messed up.
It's wet.
Yeah. This messed up the red line. What happens if I make an episode with Chica where all of a sudden they straight up went to this? This is my first vlog on my YouTube channel. Like, it smells nasty. It smells like mud. I'm not kidding. Oh my god, I saw a thunderstorm over there.
And the flash of lightning?
Yeah.
Oh, look.
The
That's the current radar.
Yeah. But,
Look.
oh!
Okay, look.
It's over there?
This is what we just saw down there.
Yeah.
This is over us right now.
Yeah, that's thunder.
Look, Papa.
Just imagine, people in my YouTube. I saw another one over there. This is a straight up storm right now. Look at that.
Yes, baby.
Oh, well, it feels nice on my hand though. I cannot catch these on camera. Oh my god.
It says it's gonna rain for the next hour. So,
Did it rain this morning?
no, it says moderate thunderstorm in 1:45.
Look at this.
And tomorrow another chance for rain. And on Sunday, 50% chance.
I straight up feel like a photographer right now. Like straight up. Welcome to today's news. Yeah. This is comedy right here, folks.
There.
Welcome to Chica News, and right now it's like 90 degrees in this dark storm. No one knows what's going on out here, but we still have our news here. Dear God, look at over there. That looks like a USA. No, wait, hold on. I got to say, yeah, that's it for today's news. I think, did I catch a thunder?
You mean the lightning thing?
Yeah, the lightning here.
Thunder is the loud sound. The flashing light is the lightning.
Yeah, after I catch this on camera, I will get like, I don't know, like, so much comments like, oh my god, Tony Gaming, did you found a thunderstorm? Yes, I did, and thunder! I think my camera saw it. Wow. It had a camera the whole time.
Yes, Papa.
It was I think I was being too much. Oh god. I got spooked for a minute. Look at this. Okay, I cannot scratch my head up. I'm biting my own fans. Another news for day 89. I looked at me and I said, okay, what am I doing now? I think I straight up found out. Oh my god. Hold on. That straight up looks like a guy. Do you see those trees combined? It looks like a person. I'm not kidding.
Which one?
Over there. Over there. Do you see it?
I see palm trees.
Yeah, it looks like a human. I think that's it for today's vlog. I'm gonna upload this tomorrow. So, see you guys next episode. Bye.